Looking for the best dropshipping tool to streamline your business? In this video, we're diving into SalesHoo versus Dropified, two popular dropshipping solutions, to figure out which one offers the most value for your business. But before you make your decision, keep watching, because by the end, you might find there's an even better alternative for your needs. Let's start with SalesHoo. Known for its vast supplier directory, SalesHoo offers access to thousands of suppliers, which is perfect if you're just starting out and need to find reliable products. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that while they provide tons of options, the platform's search functionality could be more refined. You'll have to dig through a lot of suppliers to find the best matches, and that can take up time, especially when you're just getting started. Next thing, let's talk about Dropified. It has a more hands-on approach to managing your orders and automating your dropshipping store. One standout feature is its integration with Shopify, which means your store syncs seamlessly, saving you time on inventory management. But here's the downside. Some of Dropified's automation features can be a bit clunky. The setup might be a bit complicated for beginners, and if you don't get the right settings, things can slip through the cracks. Now, let's look at the pricing. SalesHoo starts with a pretty low entry cost, but that doesn't mean it's all smooth sailing. The low entry price comes with limitations on how much you can do with the platform. If you want to unlock more features, like market research tools and premium suppliers, you'll have to upgrade. For a new dropshipping business, that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it can add up over time. The fourth thing worth considering is Dropified's pricing. While it's higher up front, the range of features you get with your plan is definitely more extensive. You'll get access to product import automation, order tracking, and even customer support for your dropshipping store. The downside, however, is that you're paying for all these features whether you use them or not. If you're a smaller business or just starting, that might feel like overkill. Next, let's talk about customer support. Both SalesHoo and Dropified offer good support, but SalesHoo's 24/7 live chat and direct contact with suppliers set it apart when it comes to making sure you're not stuck if something goes wrong. Dropified does have solid support, but their response times can sometimes be slower, and because it's so heavily reliant on integrations with other platforms, getting things fixed may take longer than you'd like. Now, for the part that's going to help you make a better decision. After trying both SalesHoo and Dropified myself, I found that both are decent tools, but they didn't quite hit the mark for everything I needed to streamline my dropshipping business. If you're looking for a better, more efficient alternative that's going to save you time and money while offering a smoother experience, there's another platform I'd highly recommend. I'm not here to push you into anything, but I've found it to be much more intuitive and effective when managing my dropshipping store, especially with the tools it offers for growing a business at scale. The software I'm talking about has all the features you'll need for order management, supplier integration, and automation without all the hassle. And the best part? You can try it out for free, and through the first link in the description, you'll get the best trial deal and exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. So, while SalesHoo and Dropified are both solid tools, if you want to take your dropshipping business to the next level, I recommend giving this platform a shot. Check out the free trial using my link in the description, and see how much more streamlined your dropshipping process can be.